What is up there, team? It is Alice Ashe here again, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Alice Ashe, and on Tuesdays I bring you Tasty Treat Tuesdays. Tasty. I'm still working on the theme tune. I don't have that yet. So today on Tasty Treat Tuesdays, and normally on Tasty Treat Tuesdays, I bring you a tasty treat which is low cal, normally low sugar, normally vegan, and it's basically just something for you to have as a tasty treat to help you on your health and fitness journey. So today I'm bringing you a blueberry oat cake. And it is so easy to make. Honestly, it's 5 ingredients, it's delicious, and if anybody who knows me knows I absolutely love a blueberry because they are full of antioxidants, they are just sugary balls of deliciousness. So without further ado, let's get going.
Okay, you're going to need 40 grams of rolled oats, then you need 1 banana, 1 egg white, 100 ml of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 15 grams of protein powder. Then you need to mix it all. Okay, make it sure it's a nice creamy mixture like so, and then you want to add in some blueberries and pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for around 15 minutes. And voila! Honestly, so delicious, so easy to make. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more Tasty Treat Tuesdays, and make sure to like and comment if you make the cake. I love to know how you get on with these recipes. Cheers guys, see you next time.